Parents learn the correct and effective ways to burping the baby. First, why is it important to burping the baby after breastfeeding or after drinking milk? Should the baby be burping even when asleep? All parents who take care of newborn babies have experienced burping the baby. But why is this work so important? Because your baby's digestive tract is not fully developed and the baby is still training himself to suck, more air bubbles enter his stomach. These air bubbles cause gastritis or colic, which is really upsetting the baby. Hi, good day everyone. I'm Kimberly Ann Guarino, and welcome to my presentation on how to burping the baby. There are three ways to burping the baby. As air travels upward, burping positions usually requires the baby to be the least partially upright. This position encourages any air bubbles to move upward, passing through the throat and out of the mouth. It is possible to burp a sleeping baby, often without waking them completely. Each baby is different, so people may need to try various techniques to find one that works. First method. This method is suitable for babies who are sound sleepers. It can also be useful if a person needs to wake a baby up to continue their feeding. Turn the baby upright and lean them against the upper chest. Put one hand on under their buttocks for support. The baby's head should be on the top of your shoulder. Gently pat the baby's back between their shoulders blade. Use an open palm to pat, being firm but gentle. If patting does not work, try to rubbing their upper back in circular motion with the palm. Second method is chest. If a shoulder burp tends to wake the babies up, try a chest burp instead. Placing the baby on the chest can feel more comforting for them than the shoulder. So this position can often them to stay asleep after feeding. Gently lift the baby to the chest, putting one hand on their back and one under their buttocks. Avoid stretching their legs. Allow their body to stay in a curled up position, which make them less like to wake up. Use the hand that is on their backs to rub it, making circular motion first. If rubbing does not produce a burp, try gently pats between their shoulders. The third method is arm hold. For smaller babies, the arm hold method can be useful. However, it is not always practical for older or larger baby. Place one arm under the baby's back, allowing them to rest their body on the forearm. The baby may already be in the position for feeding. Carefully turn the baby's body so that they are resting belly down on the parent's or caregiver's forearm with their head in the crook of the elbow. Place the hand between the baby's legs, holding the baby for stability. Rub or pat the baby's upper with the other hands. When finished, gently roll the babies toward the body. They will then be face up the continuous feeding or go to sleep. What to do if the baby does not burp? The baby may not always burp during or after feeding. In some cases, this may be because the baby did not swallow much air. Sometimes, however, it takes a little persistence to get a burp out. Here are some helpful tips for parents and caregivers in these instances. Burp the baby during the feed. When the baby has finished feeding, they may, they may be special drowsy and may have swallowed more air. Try burping them before switching breast or when they are halfway through their bottle. If the baby does not burp after 5 minutes or trying, gently lie them down on their back, either in their crib or on another safe surface, such as playpen. After a few minutes, carefully pick the babies up and try burping them again. Sometimes, lying down helps move the air bubbles around, making them easier to release. Third, keep the baby upright after their feeding. Use a baby wrap or sling can be a good way to let the baby sleep in a semi-upright position, allowing the air bubble to escape without any work from the parents or caregiver. Fourth, there is no need to stress if the baby does not burp. There are times when a baby will not burp or has no air to release. If the baby does not burp despite using the methods above, do not worry. Thank you for watching my presentation on how to burp in the baby.